and today we're going to make a nice Indian meal consisting of rice, vegetables, and yogurt. Okay, so let's begin with the rice. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the fry pan. We're going to add 1 medium sliced onions, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Both of these are highly effective in health and are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. So we're going to let the onions and the spices cook for a few minutes, and we'll return momentarily. We're back, and as you can see, the onions have a nice color to them. So we're now ready to add the rice and the water. So we will add 1 cup of rice, that's basmati rice. Okay, and we'll quickly just fry it in with the onions. Again, letting the color go through the rice. And we'll add 2 cups of cold water. Okay, we will let this boil. And as soon as it boils, we'll reduce the heat to simmer. We will cover it and we will let the rice cook. That will probably take about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we will begin cooking our vegetables. You can see that the rice is coming along nicely. So we'll return the cover and we'll start on the vegetables. So for the vegetables, we're making potatoes and carrots. We have 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the fry pan on medium to high. And we are going to add some chopped garlic, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. And we will add some spices again. We will have 1 tablespoon of cumin, that's ground cumin. And we'll have 2 teaspoons of the turmeric again, and we'll have salt and pepper to taste. So all of those in with the garlic, and we'll quickly cook the spices, get a nice fragrance going, and then we will add the vegetables. So as you can see, the spices and garlic are sizzling and have a nice fragrance to them. We're going to add just a little bit of water just to ensure that the vegetables don't stick. So I have 2 cups of carrots and potatoes each, and these have been previously boiled, so they're ready to be used. So we'll quickly put them all in. And we'll make sure that they're well coated with the spice mixture. And as you can see, the turmeric and cumin are nicely, mixing in well with the vegetables, giving it a nice, color. You can add a little bit more water if you feel that it's sticking to the bottom, just to make sure. So you mix it all together nicely. Let the water evaporate, and it will evaporate quickly. And because the vegetables are already pre-cooked, this is, pretty much done. We'll just add a little bit more water. We'll reduce the heat for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will return. Okay, so it's been about 7 or 8 minutes with the rice. As you can see, the water is almost evaporated. So we'll just cover that up and let it continue for another 1 or 2 minutes. Our vegetables are also almost done, so we have, shut them off as well. As those finish up for the last 1 or 2 minutes, let's do the yogurt. So the yogurt is very simple. We have 2 cups of yogurt in a bowl. What we need to do is just whisk it very briskly, make it very smooth. And once you're comfortable with the smoothness and the texture and the consistency, we have 1 cup of pomegranate seeds. We're going to add the pomegranate seeds to the yogurt and mix it in. And this will become a nice accompaniment to the rice and vegetables. Again, gives you a nice color. And that is done. So let's wait before we serve. And our meal is now done. We've garnished the plate with some fresh coriander, the yogurt with some pomegranate seeds on top. Enjoy.